going to tell y'all about any products or services that I didn't use myself, whether I make money on it or not. You know what I mean? Because you're going to go and try it, and if it's total shit, you're going to know Mr. Therapy's a bullshitter, and you don't need to spend no money with him. You know what I mean? And more than likely that word will spread also, which is going to hurt my career. But on the other hand, if I give you all good shit, then you're going to kill it. Now right here, r2tg.com, you get to check out a bunch of stuff that I created. You recognize that stuff? The logo, coffee cup. It's easy. See, that's real money. And this is really hooked to my PayPal and my bank account. But I ain't got to spend a thing. This is a drop ship store. Zazzle.com. And as you can see, Zazzle.com/CGR_entertainment/products. You're going to go in here and you're going to create a bunch of your images. You're going to make logos and stuff. And I'll go ahead and give you the, I'm going to give you a link of the software I use. It's free. There's going to be more training on it. I might jump on into it here shortly, but this is where you're going to make your products from now on. Again, please download Chrome. Get rid of all that bullshit. Let me go ahead and drop this into chat. This is your new image creator. All right, now it's not going to do that, and it's not just going to do that, it's also going to make your logos. All right, the way you're going to make logos and stuff is you're going to use templates. You're going to use clear images, mainly PNGs. Where there's PNGs, then there's JPEGs. You know what I mean? There's just regular images. This is a regular image. It's a JPEG. It's one solid image, and that's bottom line it. You don't really need to write this down because it's pretty much just going to be a touch and go deal. Now, if we go back, you can get clear ones. And let me see here, transparent. Now, this looks like a checkerboard, but it's just like a pane of glass. All right, and we could drop things on there. So Maurice Divine, that guy's probably going to have, he's probably going to have some golden wings in his logo. Let me just jump on here. Let me see what we can find here. Oh, yeah, see if we got to put PNG. I always put PNG or transparent in there. We got a lot of things open, so what do we got here? Man, some dope ones. Woo! Oh, jackpot. That Maurice Divine. There you go, man. That's a marketable freaking name. There you go. All right, now it has a white background, so it's not a PNG. Not a PNG. There's a PNG. We can find better ones, absolutely. Sometimes it takes hours to find the perfect one, but we don't have to. We're just going to show what we're doing. Let me save that to my computer. Jump right back over here, and I'm going to add a layer. Now, where the wings at? Yeah, it's probably my desktop here. Yep, boom. And now we got some wings on there. All right. Going to be able to layer it in, and as you see, when you're going through here, there's a lot of different things you can add to it. You're going to be able to add text. You're going to be able to add images. You're going to be able to add shapes. But more than likely, everything you're going to pull PNGs off. Now, I know everybody's worried about copyright and stuff like that. There's plenty of places you can go to freepng.com and download them off there. But I'm going to go ahead and tell you, not the textbook. The textbook is do it the right way, pay your licensing fees, yada, yada, yada. Okay, in the real fucking world, a company's not going to pay tens of thousands of dollars to hire a lawyer to sue your broke ass. You have no money. They're not going to spend tens of thousands of dollars to sue a broke person. So don't trip. Don't worry about it. By the time you have enough money, you're going to be able to pay somebody $100 maybe to make your own custom awesome logo, and you won't be using any of this stuff by then. You know what I mean? So you won't have to worry about that. By the time you're making money, you're going to be able to pay for the things that you need. So you ain't got to worry about any kind of legal ramifications. Now, again, I said I got licensed into my beats. You know what I mean? I put money into it. But if you're not ready to put money into it, you got to do what you got to do. And this is what I've done, you know, personally. See why I'm doing the webinar and not just doing lives. I'm telling you stuff that I've done underground, stuff that you're not going to see on mainstream videos and stuff. Because this ain't, you know, the way to do it. This is doing what the fuck you got to do to get there. You know what I'm saying? And if you're like I am, you're at that mode where you're going to do what you got to do. So where else are we going to go? Let's jump in there. I'm just dropping a few things in here so you can kind of see where I'm coming from. Just how easy it is. Microphone, PNG. All right, there's a gold microphone. Please be a PNG. That's dope. Nope, nope, not a PNG. It's just a JPEG. If it has that white background instead of the checkerboard background, it's an image. All right, we might have to do some digging around for one of them real good gold microphones. Oh, that'd be dope if that's a PNG. No, it's a start. Save image as. Boom, got it. Then we're going right back up here, top right corner, layer manager. It's almost like they made the software just for us because they knew we were going to be making logos and shit with this stuff, man. So pretty awesome. Grab that microphone. Let me get the window out of the way. And again, just layer it on in. You can let it off. It'll still cut it off at the border, so it don't matter if it's, you know what I mean, going over. Bring these joints a little higher. And of course, you can always move things backwards. Move them forward, plenty of stuff. And you're gonna put your words in there and everything, and then you're just gonna easily save it in my computer. You wanna make sure, again, you see it's got that white background. It's just gonna be an image. This is a PNG, not a JPEG, a PNG. Find logo 1, it's a start. It's one layer, save, enter, image saved. Guess what? We just started your first logo. There it is, and it's transparent. You know what I mean? You're going to be able to lay this into different videos and images. You're going to be able to put different backgrounds. You can put some clouds in there. You can put some cool in there. You can put outer space behind it. You can layer it into anything the same way we did that right there. You know what I'm saying? Right here. Sky. Oh, let me do this here. Sky. I'm just going to type sky in. Wow, look at that beautiful sky. There we got a beautiful sky. We'll just grab this up. It's right here. Easy. Nice quality image. Save image. Done. Drop it in. Upload. Computer. There's a sky. Add a layer. And then we got the one we just made. Boom. There it is. See how much easier it is going to be able to make branded content with your words. And you're going to do this for every one of them. You're going to do this for, you know what I mean? Hey, I got a new event coming today. Slap some decent shit around, you know what I mean? This looks better than what most people are doing, correct? I could have held my breath and did this. You can too. You can give it that professional look. Put the right words. What am I going to write up in here? I'm the greatest. That's some crack. Blah, blah, blah. I'll kill you. No, you're going to say, click the button below. Check out some awesome new music in 2018. Hip hop is back. Use those keywords and a call to action. You're going to put your link right here. divinemaurice.com. Do some crazy shit with it. Put some different, you know what I mean, text on it. You know, and there's plenty of ways that you could download free fonts onto your computer. So when you add text, you can use your fonts, or you can use the software's fonts. You know what I mean? I got fonts on here that are completely unique because I downloaded them off there. Go to freefonts.com. You know what I mean? That's another thing that's going to take y'all far into the business world, man. Being able to do the research, all right? Sometimes it's just a matter of the right keywords, all right? When you put the right keywords. I need some free fonts. Go to freefonts.com, or just put free fonts into Google, all right? The first 3 to 5 of them are going to have a little box by it that says ad, A-D. Scroll past them, go to the first one that doesn't have an ad. More than likely, that's what you're looking for, all right? So you see what that does for you. All right. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to link up with you sometime here in the future. If not tonight, tomorrow, Maurice, and we'll slap that logo together for you, bro. We'll finish it off. We already started. May as well finish it, right? That's what Buddha said. But now that we got this content over here, let me jump on over here. Now we got a merchandise store, all right? We did our Zazzle. We put it together, and there's lots of ways of doing this. You're going to start by the way I started. I found out Zazzle, you can make products and you don't have to pay shit. Oh, step 2, go to YouTube, how to make a Zazzle merchandise store. And there were 800 fucking videos that told me, from kids and old ladies and everything. And I started watching this shit. And guess what? I got a merchandise store. Not bad, right? You know what I mean? That's what I'm saying. I'm not going to flip on y'all and trick y'all out of some money for some shit you can learn on your own. It's ridiculous. You know what I mean? So look, you can contact the store owner. Got all my information in here. Let me go ahead and sign in, and we'll see how quick we can help Mr. Divine put together some stuff.